Hello everybody, this is Julian from JulianTechTM and today is the last room tour. Last year I said it was the last. This is really the last. I am going to move out by the end of the month, and before I move out, I want to do my last tour in this room. I know a lot of y'all have been asking me about this bed. So there's a story behind this bed and it's nothing sexually related. But yeah, I've been in this room since I was secondary 2. That was, what, 18 years ago? So let's move on to the room tour. Let's start with this chair. I have here the Ergomeister FAEZ8. It's pretty interesting, this chair. There's 3 knobs here and one is to tilt. So this is like pretty normal. Tilt. There's the normal, you know, go up, go down, right? Go up, go down. But there's another one. I can slide. You know what? Pretty good chair. Thank you, Ergomeister, for sending this to me. Yeah. We'll put the chair one side first. And then we'll move on to, I have like the helmet. Because when I move out, I will be near the office. Alright, I never tell I'm gonna move office. Now that's the reason why I want to move. And instead of taking Grab, I want to have an electric skateboard. So with an electric skateboard, I need a helmet. So I just bought it before I buy the skateboard. Last year, I got lightsaber. This year, I have Zenitsu sword. Haha! And this is not just any sword. I can do this. First form thunderclap god speed. We will get to this area later, okay? We'll go like clockwise, or rather anti-clockwise. Okay, so here is something I actually really like. I have managed my cables, so I have video cables, power cables, USB cables. Actually, the USB cables, there's another one here. This is like the USB Type-C, then any other USB will be here. Tools here. I have an electric screwdriver, miscellaneous things here. The battery compartment here. I have like this Tupperware so that any charged battery will be here. Non-charged battery will be just all over lah. Then I have my bayonet with all my awards, I guess. I have like the 5-year award. I have the Kopassus Indonesia wing, Singapore wing, best combat unit. This one is the Sanjapura, basically because I went to Indonesia for cross training. They got my name wrong. Yeah, SVT-ZE become Siming. Manscape shaver for your balls. But I don't really shave my balls. This is more of like general shaving. They didn't sponsor. But Manscape, if you want to sponsor, I don't mind. Alright. Here, it gets a bit messy because there's so many things. I have a heat gun. Anyone know why I have a heat gun? Comment in the section below. Last year, I remember I featured a drill. Now I have a Bosch Drill, wireless, expensive. But yeah, I realized I was drilling so much, I'd rather just buy a very good one. This one, RTX 3060. This one is very interesting. This is actually a media pack. Nickelodeon Star Trek. I was supposed to do like a post for them. It's not obligated, but they gave t-shirts. Freeze-dry ice cream. You only can buy this at Science Center. Thank you very much. That's all I wanted to say. All these other things, a giveaway. You want? T-shirt? Comment in the comment section below. Last year I had 11 Gen, this year I got 12 Gen. I got 5000 series, AMD here. I have power supply. Nothing much lah. I got RTX 3090 box. But come, let's go below. Here is where I have upgraded my camera setup. There's a few things that are missing here because it's in the office. I have a 11-16mm lens, quite affordable. This is a Rokinon 10mm lens, super wide, is for crop sensors and very good with my Blackmagic camera. Since the last tour, I upgraded my sound system, or rather the mic system, the audio system, yes. I bought Sennheiser stuff already. Sennheiser is one of the better consumers, lapel mics. But yeah, I still have my Sony a6400. I will use it here and there. I still have my 6D. I have skinned my 6D. One thing that I've been into is film photography. I have here the Canon 500N with a 50mm. I can actually use any of the Canon lens because it's an EF mount. This camera was released in 1995. I was 3 years old. Say cheese. This one on the other hand, 250 US from Japan on eBay. This one is the Canon F-1 with a 50mm 1.4 lens. This one was released in 1971. I wasn't even born. Fully manual. So how it works is that I will wind it up. Focus. Take the shot. Yeah, so cool. The reason why I got into film is that I met a friend and she introduced me to film and I fell in love with like the colors of film. And what I realized between shooting digital and shooting film is that for a digital camera, right, you just take and then you see, take then you see. But for a film camera, you are more mindful and then you will think about the shot, whether is this a good frame? You don't want to waste that film, right? It really makes you appreciate the scenery, appreciate your photo, and when the results comes out after you develop the film and it's good, wow, that feeling is great. Film photography is not cheap. I have worked out the math depending on how much your film is and where you develop it. One picture will cost about 60 cents. There's actually more equipment to it, but it's all in the office. There's so many new equipment that we can make an actual separate video for it. Stay tuned, subscribe to see that. Here's an idea I have, okay? Because I'm gonna have an office soon, right? I was thinking there's a lot of things, right, that I'm not sure whether I want to give away or have like a flea market. Like I can just open up a shop outside the office, buy this mouse for $20. I don't know. We will see about it. Okay, come, you stand here now. Another angle of this area. Nice, yes. Okay, come. Let's go to the closet now. I still have my drill here. And what I have... Oh, yo, relax, bro. This is actually a teleprompter. It's a teleprompter here, a big teleprompter. I bought it for like $300. There's like soldering stuff here. What's the other one? Oh, airbrush. Basically, I was into the whole keyboard thing and then I bought it and then I never used it. So here I also have like Razer yellow switches. It's Razer's like linear switches. What's this? Oh, disgusting blue switches. This one is what people would like to see. This one, Black Ink 2, V2. I have an unopened PS4 GTA 5. I have two unopened GTA 5. Anybody want? I have unopened PS4 Dark Souls. And I have like FIFA. Oh, I got PS2 games. Van Helsing and Devil May Cry. Zenitsu with the sword. This area used to be where I put my cameras. Now it's just more place to put junk. RX 6600 XT. Got Bob here. Bob, more mess. Bazinga t-shirt. Wear a cap. What cap should I wear? 5 Razer. I like the Razer one. Now we move on to this way. So cameraman, come here. This one is Pegboard. I know it's everything is messy lah, but the thing is it's organized mess. Okay, organized mess is where I put all my tools. Although this is a paintbrush, this is actually a broom, a desk broom. Like here, oh, it was. See? Yeah, dust broom. Realize synthetic brushes are crap with both sweeping and painting. Xbox Series X controller. Actually, no, this is Xbox One. This one is Series X. Yeah. Nintendo Switch Lite. Bought it just because of Pokemon Sword. Then here is the guitar rack. It used to be where the cameras are now, but yeah, I put it here because it's just better space. My guitar. Maybe y'all can compare it with my last video to see what new stickers are there. So that you see, ta-da, ta-da. Yeah. So now, now that I'm single, I have picked up a lot more hobbies because I have time. If you all remember, I had an electric guitar, right? Later I show you. But now we come to my first setup. Come, bring the chair, then you can sit down and then we can show off. So this is where soy sauce. For obvious reasons, I can't get dual monitors on side by side. That's why I have one on top and one below because of this PC here. I actually redid this whole wall-mounted PC because it wasn't straight and I wanted it more to the right, so I moved it more to the right. So I have more space here. So this setup is mainly where I work. I play a bit of games here and there, but mostly work, editing, all my planning on this PC. This is running a 5950X. The motherboard is MSI B550. RTX 3090 SUPRIM by MSI as well. FSP 1200 watt. Platinum power supply, 360 radiator, MSI, Gen 4 NVMe SSD, 8TB hard drive. I made this so easy, right? So that if let's say I need my hard drive, I can just plug it in. I'm still using the same keyboard. It's the Durgod Silent Red Keys by Cherry MX. I have here Bazinga, $60 just for this. The speakers I'm using is the Razer Nom Nom 2.0. Hey, but this one, yes, you might be thinking, oh, you mine, is it? No, I don't mind. I wanted to mine for a video to see like to see whether I can profit. It wasn't a good video, so I just scrapped it and I just left this here. So yeah, this is collecting dust. Reason why I'm not actually mining to make money is because it really gets damn hot. At the moment, Singapore is damn hot. Bitcoin is to shit, so there's not much point to mine anything. We can move the camera here and then I can show you this setup. It is quite messy, I gotta admit, but it's It's because I have plans for this setup. Let's talk about the specs for this PC, okay? So this PC, a wall-mounted Lian Li 011 Dynamic XL, okay? It's not supposed to be wall-mounted, but I go like, you know what? I want to wall-mount this PC, and I did. It has a Z690 MSI motherboard, 12900KF, RTX 3090, Gen 4 NVMe SSD. Yeah, can say it's the best of the best. I know now it's not the best of the best because there's the 12900KS. Even the water cooling has a screen on it. So for this setup, it's actually for Ashley. But I have made it to a streaming setup now. I have 2 Prism Plus monitors. So thank you, Prism Plus. These are Prism 27-inch 165Hz display. I have 2 of them. This table, Omidesk table, this is the first version. There's the newer version now. I realized it wasn't a good idea to put an Omidesk table here because like I'm underneath the bed, so there's not much like room I can go up and down with. I want a standing table. Like I said, this is like the streaming area. Low profile mic arm, very useful. Razer Black Shark V2X, if I'm not wrong. Mountain keyboard. This keyboard is damn freaking cool, guys. This keyboard, right? Modular keyboard. Like this thing, I can remove. I can put it here. This side. Look at that. There's a lot of knobs. I can play music, turn off the audio. I forgot what I can monitor, but I can monitor some stuff like PC information and stuff. Like I can set it up so I can see my PC usage and all this kind of thing. A removable number pad. I love this, man. A number pad would really help, right, when you're doing work, especially when you're doing your accounting. When you play games, right, it is more of a hassle, like a hindrance. That's the thing, you can put it on the right. It locks in very easily, like you just pop. You know what? I still want a number pad, but I still want to play games. You can do this. Push it to the right side, and then you put it the other side. Put it to the left side. What? What? So good. Next is my mouse. This is the Endgame Gear XM1 RGB with a Endgame mouse pad. I have a lot of Elgato things, Elgato Stream Deck. I got the Elgato lights as well. With this ecosystem of Elgato, right, what I can do, right, is control the lights. Wow! I can control the brightness, make it not so bright. I can change the warmness. With other models, right, I can even change the color to be blue, red, green, or anything in between. The only problem is under the bed, so I don't have a lot of room. So once I move out, I will have more room, you know what I mean? Other things that I can show off, my wheel, G29 wheel. This setup is important because let's say if I don't have this rig, right, if I push onto the clutch, right, the chair will move back. But with this setup, I can put the wheel on the rig and then it will lock me into the pedals. Anything else I need to... Oh, yes. So the reason why there's so much mess here. So I have like a button here, start button. I have a radiator mount, PSU mount, the GPU mount with a GPU stand. The reason why I have all this here, I'm gonna make this table a PC table. Put all the PC components underneath the table. It's gonna be a table PC. Why I wanna do that? When I move out, I'm gonna be in a room, a rental room. I don't have the liberty to drill the walls. How do I save space without drilling the wall? Drilling your table. It's gonna be a great video. So if you want to see me do that, do subscribe so you won't miss that video. I know got like 60% of y'all not subscribed yet. Subscribe, Subscribe! 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 Anything else? One last thing before we get into the magical place. I have here tubes, distilled water, cryofuel, custom water look. I didn't have the opportunity to do it yet. Yeah, this is where it gets a bit hard to show off. Yeah, y'all cannot see me, but this is my massage chair. This is a Razer Blade laptop. It has a 1070. Come, this is where I can show you. This is where the magic happens. The reason why there's a laptop is because I have a monitor here. So if I want to watch a movie, put it out, and then movie. Oh, look at that, movie. Cool, right? This bed, right? I think a lot of people have been asking me where I get this bed. I got it actually from Lazada, and it was a very, very bad experience that I didn't really want to tell people where to buy because they said the delivery was 2 weeks. It came in like 2 months. The cost of this bed, or rather this frame, is $1,200. So I expected some good customer service. 2 weeks or 4 weeks, I forgot. 4 weeks, let's say 4 weeks. It came in 2 months and they didn't update because I also need to buy a mattress, right? You want the mattress and the frame to come together. They didn't give any update. Then I had to buy the mattress, and then the mattress was lying somewhere with my current, like my previous bed. I was quite mad. I was quite pissed off that they didn't update, but I don't recommend. It's not very good, but it's so expensive. And then but then you know when the guy came and built it, he was nice and he it seems like he knew what he was gonna do. The sad story behind this bed. The reason why I bought this bed was actually for me and Ashley, right? If you all watched my previous tour, you realize it's a super single bed. Can you imagine 2 people sleeping on a super single bed for like a year or 2? Not very comfortable. I'm a problem solver, right? We don't have space for a queen size bed, but we can buy like this kind of frame and then fit a queen size bed. Here's the sad story. We never got to use it because we ended things before we could use it. So yeah, that's the bit of the story. But guys, I know all of y'all will say like, oh my god, I'm not saying this about PT, it's just that's the story. That's just the fact. At the moment, I think me and Ashley has a very healthy relationship, friendship, whatever. I don't know what you want to call it. There's a video that she actually helped with my script, how to build a PC. I'm not sure whether is it going to be out. It's not going to be a Amber Heard, Johnny Depp kind of thing or NOC thing. No, it's not. No. We can move past that. We actually have a temporary office now. At the moment, right now, we have a giant behind the camera. My first employee. Move the camera up and down. See, so slow he move up and down. So thank you for watching, thank you for your support. Let me know if you want free stuff. Or should I do a flea market? That's the thing, should I do a flea market? I want to know your opinion. And especially now, it's post-COVID, we can do like meet and greet and like meet each other and take pictures and all. If you want to take pictures with me lah. Anyway, thank you so much. I will see you in the next video and I guess I'm done.